right, Switch 2 time. I also do want to look at the Pro Controller, but probably over on my tech channel, just kind of specifically want to look at the D-pad. That's probably going to be like the focus. So for now, we're just going to be looking at the Switch, do a little unboxing with my KitchenAid scissors. That's how you know I'm not like a real tech YouTuber. A box in a box. Let's freaking go. I know people are a little mad at Nintendo right now because, you know, well, they always are, but especially because their games are like $90 now, which is crazy, jumping from 60 to 90. But what can you do except open the box completely upside down? Let's go, Moga. Classic. Never change. I mean, I do think the inflation argument is valid for sure. Everything else has gotten way more expensive than, what, 50% over the last 30 years? It was definitely more so the jump straight from 60 to 90, I suppose, that people have an issue with. But yeah, it's Nintendo, it's Switch 2, people are going to buy it. Even a few thousand or even tens of thousands of people, quote unquote, boycotting it, I don't think is going to do anything. They are too big. Here's the screen. It's actually a lot bigger than the old one, which I knew already, but actually having it in person here. We also got the Joycons. Apparently these are like magnetic now. Let's see how that works. Ka-chonk, yes. And the other one, to actually remove them though, is it this button? Oh yeah, okay. We have this little button here. Yeah, that's actually pretty nice. I mean, we're gonna boot it up, set it up, route it through my capture card so we can actually see it. Like, there's, I don't know, some weird random numbers. This is a video. I have redeemed it already. You thought though. I imagine there was at least one person that paused it at that very moment to go and try and redeem it. Got the classic cables, arm straps. Who needs those though? And then we got the dock here. I don't know. Honestly, my original Switch has been kind of collecting dust for a while, but is this not a lot bigger than the old one? I mean, that's fine. You know, I assume we got some like extra cooling and other stuff going on here. So it's stationary. The size doesn't really matter that much. Juicy USB-C power brick. I assume that means, yes, indeed, it's just a cable. Okay, cool. There's not like an extra block. That's nice. I don't really need the arm straps right now or the HDMI. That's not a very long cable. I don't know if that's even 2 meters. Nope, that's about 1.5 meters. We got the important bits out, so let's tidy up a little bit. Oh yeah, almost forgot about this guy. Sure, we'll see how they look there as well. I mean, yeah, this feels very similar to the Switch ones. I honestly don't really notice the size increase that much. Maybe when I would hold them like this, I don't know. The original Switches were like almost unusably small for me. I'm honestly just hoping the Pro Controller's D-pad is better than the old ones. I like me some Tetris, and honestly, I kind of miss Tetris 99, which is like basically only available on the Switch as far as I know. But I can never find a good Switch controller for it. Even though I tried like 5 of them out, I might just be too picky. So yeah, there are the important bits. Let's go ahead and get it set up. Yeah, there we go. Wait a second, why is that upside down? The Joy-Cons are attached upside down. Fantastic. First the box and now the entire Switch. All right, we're good now. Oh yeah, that's right. There's a stand. I wanted to try that out. No matter what this stand is like, it's better than the old one. The old one was so bad. Okay, that's pretty sick. Look at that. We have a system update. Very exciting. QR code. Gotta get my phone. Yeah, I forgot to get an SD card. RIP. Later then. All right, we're in. Do I have any virtual game? Is that just Breath of the Wild? I know I didn't buy that many games, honestly, but no, I'm not going to do that now. Okay, while Mario Kart World is downloading, we're going to set up the dock, which means for now, I guess we are going to attach it to this thing right here. Do that with the kickstand. We should be able to just plop it in there, right? That's how maybe we should take a look in there. What is going on in there, actually? Is it actually supposed to stick up that much? Oh, yeah, for sure. It's like all the way in there. Okay, but like, look at this. It really doesn't feel secure at all. Am I doing something wrong? And well, the screen is still on because it's not even plugged into power yet. I think it's probably better to take the screen out first and then figure out what the hell's going on here. Okay. There's a back plate. So that just pops off, no screws or anything. Here's where the AC adapter goes. And then the HDMI as well. Oh, look at that. They also have the Ethernet port. Let's go. For now, I'm just gonna leave the back plate off. You guys won't even see it. I'm not sure if there's supposed to be any sort of like sign of life going on here, but let's just drop the switch in again. Screen is still on, so I guess we'll just use the power brick. All right, we should be all set up now. We are in the Switch. We'll just go ahead and set up HDR. Why not? Oh no, what have I done? It looks absolutely atrocious now. I mean, it's probably better to play on the actual HDMI signal anyway. I mean, that looks good to me, but it looks pretty bad on OBS for some reason. Oh, okay, I just had to turn on HDR tone mapping in the Elgato capture device. Still not perfect, but I would say good enough. And look, we're basically just in time for Mario Kart World. Of course, we will try it out real quick. I'm not that good at Mario Kart. I do enjoy the games. It's just, I'm bad at them. I'm kind of bad at every game except Tetris. Play this game, you'll first need to load the virtual game card on this system. I don't care, do it. What? Please perform a system update on that system. Dude, that system's been like, I'm just gonna say it's unavailable. Huh? What if it just broke? How am I supposed to update the system? I probably could turn it on, but like last time I tried it took like 6 hours of charging before the screen even came on. That's weird, but okay, sure. I will figure that out later. Right now, I just want to give this a try, see how it looks. Oh man, OBS looks horrible. I have no idea what's going on with OBS. It does not like capturing the Switch, apparently. It's blown out as hell and the frame rate's bad. I don't think I can fix that right now. If it does actually transfer to the recording, here is what it actually looks like, I guess. We're just going to do like a single race time trial sort of thing. I kind of don't even know the controls yet. Just basic ass Mario solo race. First thing, just pressing a Choco Mountain. How do I drive? You can adjust the camera? Could you always do that? Yeah, but that's not actually, that's just boost, isn't it? Okay. A is drive. You'd think this is my first time playing any video game ever. What happened to my boosts? Did I use all my boosts? There's the drift. Boom. Okay. Getting some drift action in there. 109 per lap. Easy world record, I'm sure. Oh, we can do a little thing in the air. Does that, oh yeah, maybe a little boost. I think you have to time it for like right when you, all right, 302. No one has beaten that ever. It just said new record. All right, yeah. Because the footage looks like so bad anyway, I'm going to leave it there. I kind of forgot what they released. Oh yeah, Donkey Kong Bonanza. That one looks kind of weird, but also pretty interesting. Right, Puyo Puyo got like a update, I guess. I never bought it on Switch, so I guess I wouldn't mind just grabbing that one instead. Genshin's still not available, I suppose. Nope. Not that I would play it on Switch, but since I guess my audience is, you know, a big part Genshin fans, it would be maybe interesting to know how it runs at least. But yeah, just want to do a little unboxing and setup. So that's where I'll end it.